Alright, mail time. It seems to be well packed. That's nice. Obviously, all as non-working for parts. And we have Talking Salty. And this one is Whiff. Percy. McCall's Farm Car. Ferdinand. That's right. And Bash. How did they grab this? Okay, Thomas. Now this model, this is a remote control hero. What's in here? What is it? Oh, Emily. And here is Emily's tender. Now this, I think this is a remote control Thomas and Bertie the bus. Alright, let's see how many of these work or don't work according to the seller. For parts or not working.
Ahoy, matey! I'm salty!
Works and talks, and it's a little noisy. So the batteries were dead. Look, coupling is good. Missing couple of screws. That means somebody tried to fix it. So that's what are we going to do right now. Yeah, I can see these wires. These wires are supposed to run through here. Yeah, somebody tried to fix the noisy thing out of this model. And if you follow my channel, you know that this is the problem. Yeah, loose. We got a replacement. That is done, and add some lube here and there. Checking just to make sure it doesn't make any noises, and it's very quiet.
I have an important delivery, matey.
Good. Another test.
I'm salty. I love to tell my stories
Good.
of the sea. Ahoy, matey! I'm salty.
Tune for Emily's tender. Look at this. What? Tornado alarm? Hey, it works. Okay, so I just need to clean this corrosion. I wonder if the previous owner tried to fix it. This coupler should go in here. That is white vinegar. You know what? Even if I clean this thing, I don't like it. I'm going to put some spring battery terminal. That's too much rust. What's going on with that tornado alarm? I can hear it really loud. This one is not good. I guess I'm gonna leave it like that. Alright, let's see if now it's, yes, works good. Excellent. Another test. What is this? Anyways, good. Next is with I don't know if I can clean this. Take this away. I don't know if you can see, but I'm using white vinegar, and it seems it seems that it was easy. Look, very clean. It was superficial. Now we can put a battery. Oh, very loud. Here's the problem. For a moment I thought that that will be an easy fix, but no. So here is the problem. Yep, this one right here. Look at that. This one also has a crack right there, so we need to replace it. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's something here. Okay, let's see if now this thing works. Quick test. Yes. Quiet. It looks good to me. Excelente. Alright, the turn for Percy. There is some corrosion. We're gonna try to clean it. As always, white vinegar. This seems to look green and I don't like it. Maybe we are gonna replace this for spring battery terminal. Yeah, I don't like it. Let me try a little bit more. No, that corrosion did not work as planned. Too much corrosion. First step, drill a hole. And when I mean drill a hole, you need to drill a hole right by the rivet so you can remove the drill another hole right there so we can put the spring battery terminal. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but we'll try it. Okay, yeah, it was some very low clearance. We couldn't fit the riveting tool right there. You can see that's the reason I polished this. And okay, let me show you what I'm trying to say. See how this one looks? This is the original one. Next step, we run a wire like this through here and to the motor, just like this. Testing, good. All right, good. Works good. The turn for Ferdinand. I don't know what's going on with okay, I see some rust inside. I'm gonna try it. Sometimes you just tap it a little bit. It seems not to work. Okay. Oh, so definitely we need a new motor, and maybe this part here too, or maybe this piece now. I used some white vinegar and it's gone. Okay, needs to clean. I could even swap the parts that I needed, but I have another motor right here, so that's gonna take me more long time, and I'm just going to use this one. The electric motor works, so I can use this as a spare part. Test run. Ooh. Works. Now the motor is kind of noisy, so I need to remove something here, and that is this cog right here. Yeah, that one. All right. There is working. Done. The turn for Bash. Bash, has a lot of corrosion. I don't think white vinegar will fix this. Try it, but didn't work. So I guess I'm going to put a, hold on. Oh, right here. Cogs look very clean, so I'm going to put the battery terminal. I don't think that motor works. Oh no, that's really bad. Told you that's not good, no. Okay, I had to make 2 holes. I drilled one big hole for the previous rivet, and I make another hole for the new battery terminal, but I'm going to put the rivet here. Remember Ferdinand's motor, so we are going to swap this motor into Bash gearbox. Motor is working good. Excellent. That part is done. Now I need to run a little wire from here to here, just like this. Testing, and I can barely hear the motor. This kind of motors are, I mean, the gearboxes are very nice. Driving axle looks good. Missing a coupler. Okay. Very good. Now Thomas, Ito company, missing a coupler. I'm gonna put look at that. I'm gonna put a battery terminal. We don't know yet if this has some motor issues or driving axle. Driving axle looks okay. Very bad. Battery terminal in place, the rivet also, so we just need to finish it. Excellent. The motor seems to be I need to replace this part here, and this coke is kind of loose. Testing. Motor sounds good, works. Alright, now we just need to rewire from the battery terminal to the motor. Rewire done, and we need to do a little test. Where's my battery? Yeah, I can hear it works. Looking good. Now just put the top test run. That's good. Now about this Hiro is a remote control model, and it seems okay, let me tell you what I think. Somebody tried to fix it or try to figure out, and the owner might thought that this battery should operate this Hiro without the remote. And actually I'm gonna turn this into 4.5 volts, so it's gonna be a little faster. First thing we gotta do, we need to remove this circuit board, this little piece here, and just leave this switch. Alright, now I think we are going to leave this safety switch kill. You know, if it falls on the side, it will stop from running. Checking the batteries that the the Hiro came with, and they are good. Alright, we are done with the rewiring, and let me tell you, safety switch kill is active. So that means when you put the tender in a flat surface, it will activate Hiro. Now if it falls to the side, obviously it's going to kill the power. Done with that part. Now I need to adjust this thing. It's offset, and I don't know why it's not on the right place, but anyways, motor is a little filthy. We just clean it up a little bit. Clean. Where is that screw? Anyways, alright, we are done with that. Make some room. Test it. And we are done with Hero. Next is Bertie the bus. Let's see what's going on. Bertie the bus requires one AAA battery. Oh, came with this battery and works. So it needed no fix or repair or anything. That's good. And the last model, this is Thomas, remote control Thomas. We don't have the remote. I could make the conversion, but that's for another video. Alright,